Seeing appetite and dream. Appetite in a dream. To eat one's fill means fidgety or restlessness. If one sees himself satiated with food and could not eat any more in a dream, it means changing of his condition, losing rank, losing business, or his death. This interpretation is applicable unless one finds in his dream extra space to fill with food, then the dream means that his lot in this world will equal the size of that remaining space. Eating to one's fill in a dream also represents working for one's livelihood or recovering extra money. Some interpreters convey that hunger in a dream is better than satiation, while to drink extra water in a dream is better than thirst.